Right, guys, I have no idea what the game is going to be like with the mouse, but you can give it a try. Yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes, guys. Okay, if I die here, I will be the unhappiest child in the world. You know what? If I fall down any levels, okay.
I feel within me a peace above all earthly dignities, a still and quiet conscience.
That's fun. Wow. That's unhappy it makes me. I'm just like mouse. Jesus. How do I disconnect this? Mouse off. This out. It's like in my computer. How do I get it out? Right, I don't know, but oh, now can I take it out? No. It's stuck in my computer. Stop. Whatever is happening, stop. Right. All that needs to be happening is this not glitching. No. What? You know what? My mouse pad's not working, Harley. Not my thing that you just put your finger on. Come on. Don't you dare be glitching over again. It's like what happens with memory cards. No, I'm fine actually. Don't care about memory cards. I don't have a memory computer. Jesus. Right. Come on. This game though. Oh, this is easier. Yes, this is it. Just when I get up on that one, it becomes a bit easier. Really, this game annoys me like mad. About here. Why is there water coming out of me? That's bad. If this game makes me fall one more time, I'm done. I'll probably play it again, but like... Oh, simple. Now it's simple. Now the... Woo! Woo! This is actually making me angry now. Like, I'm used to using a mouse now, but I've only had it for... I've not had it for not that long. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. I need to be just right at the edge. That's fine. That's fine. Then we can hook our axe over here. We can get here. Yeah. That's fine. We can get here. We can... Right, right, guys. Oh my gosh. The thing I need to do is get here. Just put my axe here. Go down a bit, swing up, and that'll be it. Right. I just want to get to the Costa Cup. It said something about the tree being really hard when I was doing it. No! Why did I have to swing once more? No, honey. I swung too much. Yes? Oh, come on, honey. Honey, yes. Honey, yes. Right, if I can get up here, that's it. That's like me happy. Like, I don't care if I fall, just if I can get up. Yes, I knocked it. I did knock the
You
cost.
cannot now believe that you will ever feel better. But this is not true. You're sure to be happy
Cannot
again.
now believe
And
that you
knowing
will ever
this,
feel better.
truly believing it,
Okay.
will make you less miserable now. Abraham Lincoln.
He's like 100 years old now, and he's dead. Right.
Looky.
Yeah.
Time to wind it up, right? Quarter to
Right.
9.
Oh my God, quarter to 9, jeez. It's not much of a time. Come on, what the hell's this? Jeez, right. We can simply just do this. Swing up. Yeah, that's fine. We can go on the barrel. See, the Costa Cup's knocked over, sucker. I don't care about... No! I don't care about people saying that it's not real. I can just say, wow, look at the Costa Cup. Is that a Costa Cup? No. Don't you do this. Yes, I
15
hear.
minutes, guys. Not for YouTube.
No. No. If this is a real dude, I think he'd have brain damage. Ooh. Kinda like me. Anyway, no, no, no. Yes. Yes, yes. At least I'm doing better than I used to, like, give me that. Right, so I can do this. Yes, barrel. This barrel's the barrel award of the year. No. Bad barrel. Nice barrel. No, bad barrel. You mean barrel. Yes. And then I can get my axe. I can jump. Oh my God, guys. We're at the cup. No, that actual cup. It could have killed me. Okay, that cup's sure there for...
Anyway, when you start sexy hiking, you're standing next to this dead tree that blocks the way to the entire rest of the game. It might take you an hour to get over that tree, and a lot of people
This
never
tree.
got past it. You prod and you poke at it, exploring the limits of your reach and your strength, trying to find a way up and over. And there's a sense of truth in that lack of compromise.
No.
Most obstacles in video game worlds are fake. You can be completely confident in your ability to get through them once you have the correct method or the correct equipment or just by spending enough time. In that sense, every pixelated obstacle in sexy hiking is real.
Did that just happen? Right. This is unreal, like. Come on. Come on, this is a game though. Oh my God, did that have to just happen? Like, give me a break, you dumb game. Right. Oh my god. No, no, you holy. I can't do it. I want to play this game for longer, like, because that just happened. This game's like more annoying than I don't know what my brother. Well, no, that's impossible. It's more annoying than something nearly as annoying as my brother. Like, come on, dude. Okay, okay. No, I can't do it. Did I? Oh, I turned this off, didn't I? Great. Right. It's time to go mad. Ooh, bring in the mouse. Okay, this is not working. Right. Okay, that did not work. I've got myself stuck. Oh my god.
Do not stand at my grave and cry. I am not there. I did not die. Mary Fry.
Right.
Hello, Chinese people.
Racist.
How's that racist? What's the chance of that being racist?
I could, in a million years, gain subscribers. People go watch back to watch my videos.
Yeah, but it's not like someone that has such glory as being from
Right,
China
Jesus.
wouldn't watch it.
Alright, guys, I'm sorry about him just being a dumbass. Right, well, I'm just using a swinging technique now.
What the? What the? What the?
Cal, you know I do have a bat, so.
What, you want a piece of me? Oh, you getting spicy!
Still sorry, just see how annoying he is. Right. No. Right, guys, I give up on this game. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.